She's got an appetite that won't stop. The way that she's dancing should be against the law. She likes to show off her body, act like the life of the party, and make it hard for you to keep her. And it's just a matter of time for it starts to play with your mind. She's supersonic, on her eyes are so hypnotic, yeah.
All sophisticated, so new like you can't upgrade it, can't hate it, with the diamonds all in the ear, low, Bluetooth all in the ear, ho. That kind of story unfolds. You in VIP and she's scheming up a plot. You pushing up the bottles and she pushing up her top. She give you little stares as you rubbing through her hair, then she shake her derriere, You just thinking the draws might drop, but I'm just thinking she's counting out your knot. You feeling on your shirt pockets like you've been shot, but you really been got. Let's rock.
She's got the passion, that girl is dangerous. Better be careful, that girl is dangerous. You learn the hard way, that girl is dangerous. She's dangerous, dangerous. She's got the passion, that girl is dangerous. Don't hold your breath. You can't touch me now, there's no feeling left. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. What you did to me, boy, I can't forget. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. I was under your spell for such a long time, couldn't break the chains. You played with my heart, told me apart with all your lies and games. It took all the strength I had, but I crawled up on my feet again. Now you're trying to lure me back, but no, those days are gone, my friend. I loved you so much that I thought someday that you could change, but all you brought me was a heart full of pain. You can't touch me now, there's no feeling left. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. What you did to me, boy, I can't forget. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. I was worried about you, but you never cared about me none. You can't touch me now, there's no feeling left. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. What you did to me, boy, I can't forget. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. Move on, don't look back. I jumped off the train, running off the tracks. Your day's gone, face the facts. A bad movie ends and the screen fades to black. What you did to me, boy, I can't forget. If you think I'm coming back, you can't touch me now, there's no feeling left. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. What you did to me, boy, I can't forget. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. You can't touch me now, there's no feeling left. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. What you did to me, boy, I can't forget. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. And if the world would end tomorrow, we don't care, tonight. And if the world would end tomorrow, just put your hands up and feel alright.
Alright, put your hands up to 012. Haha,
Yeah,
yeah, because we don't care tonight.
just put your hands up and
Come on.
feel alright.
Let's go.
To 012, when the world will end.
Yeah.
To 012, when we make a stand.
Maya said 212 is the end. They think that's God's plan. Explosion, flood waters, hurricanes, we don't care. We still be off the chain, we make a stand. Never give up, nobody can stop. Let's rock and drop, still move to the top, that's how we roll. Don't mind, just keep on go. If the world would end tomorrow, listen to the song that changed sorrow into joy, the breaking point. I wanna hear you make some noise.
Tonight is the night to feel free.
Yeah, what's gonna happen?
We will see.
Positive and full of energy. 212, just follow me. Oh.
If the world would end tomorrow, we don't care, tonight. And if the world would end tomorrow, just put your hands up and feel alright. To 012, when the world will end. To 012, when we make a stand.
212.
Ooh, when the world will end.
Because we don't care tonight.
We